Hi guys, welcome back to Katie's Co-Creations, and welcome if you're new here. And in this week's video, it is very exciting once again because it is now July. Last week it was just June and now it's July, and I'm so sad because summer's flying by so quick. So I'm trying to make as much content for you guys as I possibly can. But for this week's video, I'm very excited because, like I just said, it is now July. And one of the main holidays in July is July 4th, one of the biggest holidays, and which is basically Independence Day, and which is also our country's birthday, so it is a pretty big deal. And today I'm just going to be basically making some July 4th sugar cookies. If you guys remember, for St. Patrick's Day, I did St. Patrick's Day holiday cookies, and today I thought it would be really cool if I did the same thing for July 4th. So I hope you guys are excited for this video. And if you're new here to my channel, it would make me so happy if you scroll down and click that subscribe button so you don't miss any new fun videos just like this one in the future. And yeah, without further ado, let's just get right into this week's video. Let's go. Woo! Okay guys, so first, to start off by making these star sugar cookies, we are going to have to start getting all of the ingredients. So here is all of my ingredients so far. So first, let's begin by making the batter. So first, I'm just going to start melting some butter in the microwave, then cracking 1 or 2 eggs into my bowl. And then I'm going to add all of that melted butter we just melted up into the egg mixture. And now I'm going to start opening the sugar cookie mix. So here I am opening it up and pulling it out of the bag, and now cutting the bag, and I'm going to just start pouring it in right now. And I'm adding some more butter that I just melted, and now I'm just taking any of my spatulas and I'm going to just start mixing this mixture all together until it forms a dough. And I was wondering why it was not forming a dough, so I realized that I forgot to add the second packet of batter, so that is what I'm doing right now. And now it is definitely thickening up into a dough consistency. And I'm just going to continue mixing this up until it is ready for me to knead. And now it is ready for me to knead. All of the mixture and batter and everything is all into this one big blob. So here I'm just kneading it, and now I'm setting it on this mat and taking my rolling pin, rolling the dough out, then taking my star cookie cutters and just cutting out all of them shapes and pulling the excess dough off of all the stars. And now I'm placing the stars onto this tray of mine right here. And now I'm going to roll out more of the dough that I already pulled off. And now I'm just continue doing the same thing over and over. So I think you guys get the point, and yeah. And once they are all on the tray, it is time to let them freeze for about 15 minutes. So I just put them in the freezer, and yeah. After 15 minutes of cooling, you can put them right into your oven for about 8 to 10 minutes. So that is what I'm going to do here. And while they are baking, I'm going to start making the icing. So here we have some butter stuff in there. And now it's time to add some milk. and then some vanilla extract to make it really good, and then 4 cups of powdered sugar, which is crazy. That's a lot of sugar, but I mean, it always tastes good in the end. So that is what we're doing here. And then after all of that stuff, you can just start mixing it up until it gets really whipped up nice. And to that, we are going to add some blue food dye. So that is what I'm doing right here on my toothpick. And I want to get somewhat of a darker blue instead of like a baby blue, if that makes sense. So that is going to be my goal. After mixing a lot of blue into it, it has turned out this really cool, darkish kind of looking blue. So I'm very happy with the color, and now the cookies are done being baked, so I'm pulling them right out of the oven to let them cool for a little bit. And then when they're done being cooled, it is time to get our blue icing we just made and start icing the star cookies that we just pulled out of the oven. So here I am just icing them, and this obviously probably takes the longest time. So this took about like 45 minutes to an hour, I want to say. So obviously this took pretty long because we had like 30 some cookies. So yeah, it took very long. And then I also added some patriotic looking sprinkles to just dress them up a little bit. They turned out really cute in the end. And I'm just going to finish sprinkling them with my sprinkles that I have here. And yeah, that is pretty much it. So here is the finished star sugar cookies. They have turned out so cute. All the time and effort is totally worth it. I cannot wait to eat them on some 4th of July picnics. They're just so cute and so patriotic. I love them so much. That is it for this week's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Also, by the way, if the lighting is like very bad, which I 100% know it is, it's because these cookies took honestly all day to make, and ice and all that crazy stuff. So currently now it is past 9 o'clock and it is obviously dark outside. So the lighting is pretty bad, so I do apologize for that. And yeah, these cookies just turned out so cute. I cannot wait to eat them at a 4th of July picnic. They're so cute. I'm obsessed with them. And I hope you guys are having a great 4th of July so far. It has been very fun. And if you did enjoy this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And yeah, I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!